Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. So today we will start with the ozone formation. First of all, what is the ozone formation? Three oxygen atom make up ozone, highly reactive gas. Ozone layer is a highly reactive gas that is on the upper on the earth surface or on the high atmosphere of the earth called stratosphere. Ozone layer is on the stratosphere and it is made of the three oxygen make the like O2 we are having, so O3 made the ozone layer. So what is the effect of ozone layer? Attraction of ultraviolet rays with molecular oxygen produce stratospheric ozone. O3 means the ultraviolet rays UV with molecular oxygen, like from sunlight there's a many of rays are coming down, but some are we can say that some are having the advantages and some are having disadvantages in our life. So like ultraviolet rays have the disadvantages in our life, so like it can be cause our skin cancer or eyesight weakness. So these are the effect of the ultraviolet rays if it come on the earth. So we're talking about attraction of ultraviolet rays with molecular oxygen produce stratospheric ozone. When violet rays with molecular oxygen react, it will produce stratospheric ozone called O3. So now where it is located and what it will giving to us ozone layer. So located about 6 to 30 miles above the stratosphere, means the ozone layer which is located about 60 to 30 miles above the earth surface. And it is the decrease the quantity of dangerous ultraviolet light. What is the cause or what is the effect of this ozone layer on the stratosphere? This ozone layer decrease the quantity of dangerous UV light, mean ultraviolet light that reach the earth surface. Means that the on the earth, if the ultraviolet rays is coming, so it decreasing the quantity of the ultraviolet rays to come on the earth surface. So how is it possible? Whenever these ultraviolet rays come on the earth, first of all it's gone to the stratosphere. On the stratosphere there is the ozone layers, and the ozone layer break down these ultraviolet rays and then screening out, and then firstly these rays come and then again move. After that there is a one point that the photochemical interaction between two primary groups of air pollutant, means there is a photochemical interaction between two groups, between these are the two primary groups, between two primary groups of air pollutant, of air pollutant air pollutant. After that it's a volatile organic compound. One is volatile VOC, volatile organic compound, and second one is nitrogen oxide. Nitrogen oxide, NO and VOC, these two are the primary group of air pollutant, and these produces tropospheric or ground level ozone in which human breathe. Meanwhile, they're like these are the photochemicals to primary groups of air pollutant: volatile organic compound and the nitrogen oxide. These both come down to the troposphere, the downward layer. First is troposphere, then stratosphere. From stratosphere it's come to the troposphere. On troposphere when it's coming, so it's break down into the oxygen molecules, and these oxygen molecules come on to the earth. And on the earth we are living, humans are living, animals are living on earth. What it been done, we can take breathe easily. When the oxygen molecules come down on the earth, we can take easily breathe. If what's happening, if sometimes ozone layer didn't cover the ultraviolet rays and it directly come down on the earth, so what's happening, it causes the skin cancer, or we can say the eyesight weakness. So how we will cover this? We will cover this with the planting the trees. Likewise, sometimes we see that in the fields we are giving the chemicals to the our fields, that we are saying that some kind of material or some kind of resources that coming on the trees or on our field, so we are giving the chemicals on that one to recover that ultraviolet rays, or we can set the other chemicals. So that's why this is a main purpose, that we can planting the trees or planting the plants for covering the ultraviolet rays. So this is all about today ozone formation. You have just in metric you just have to repeat or learn the simple definition that three oxygen atom make up ozone O3. It's an highly reactive gas. It's on the high atmosphere stratosphere. It gives the attraction of ultraviolet rays with the molecular oxygen produce stratospheric ozone. It's located about 6 to 30 miles above the stratosphere to the earth. It decreases the quantity of ultraviolet rays, and it's the photochemical of the two primary group of air pollutant VOC and NO produce tropospheric or ground level ozone which humans breathe. This is all about today.